Okay, so we have discussed about money market. Yeah, commercial bills. Did we start with commercial bill? No. Yes or no? Okay, I am dealing with treasury bills. Okay, चैट बॉक्स में डालो ट्रेजरी बिल हुआ या नहीं. योर एग्जाम
हुआ मैम, कमर्शियल नहीं हुआ.
ओके चलेगा. आपका एग्जाम इज आफ्टर दीपावली वेकेशन, डोंट वरी. ओके, नवंबर 16 वगैरह का आपका एग्जाम चालू होने वाला है. सो वेकेशन में बराबर बैठकर पढ़ो. दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. आई रिक्वायर 3 more lectures to finish your portion. Okay. So commercial bills. Now we are dealing with children commercial bills. You being a commerce student, you may be having some knowledge about commercial bill. Okay. It's a self-liquidating instrument with low risk. Hey, dekho. This is point number 1. This is point number 2. What do you mean by self-liquidating children? वो अपने आप पैसा देगा when the time gets over. No, that is the meaning of self-liquidating. Suppose 90 days का bill है. When the 90 days is over, it will give the money by itself. And risk ज़्यादा नहीं है. It is like a promissory note. You are very well aware. Generally, commercial bill, who is preparing? Commercial bill is prepared by seller on the buyer. You know that. And what is a commercial bill? For example, I am giving goods. Again, I will remove that student. Aisha copy. See the remove. करता है. Okay, see the I will remove you. 100% sure है वो. तना irritate करता है morning में. So, for example, I am giving you the goods worth 10 lakh. Okay. Today is, say, for example, 4th. Let us assume 4th October ko. So you are promising me, you will give me 10 lakh rupees back within 90 days. Okay. So October 4th to November 4th, November 4th to December 4th, December 4th to January 4th. So January 4th ke andar I should get the money. So I am preparing the list, of the goods which I am going to give you, descriptions वगैरह, or when you will give me the money back. ये दोनों we are, I am writing and you are signing. Both of us are signing. And you are very well aware that this trade bill can be discounted. You know that. Suppose that मेरे लिए 90 days के पहले पैसा का जरूरत पड़ा. मैं क्या करेगा? ये बिल कमर्शियल बैंक में डिस्काउंट करेगा. कमर्शियल बैंक मेरे को वो 10 लाख रुपीस देगा और कुछ रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करेगा बिकॉज दे आर डिस्काउंटिंग इट. व्हेन 90 डेज हो जाएगा कमर्शियल बैंक बायर के पास से पैसा लेगा. चिल्ड्रन, नाउ कम समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट स्टेप आई टोल्ड यू, सेलर इज गिविंग मनी टू, सेलर इज प्रिपेयरिंग द बिल एंड बायर इज साइनिंग. दैट इज स्टेप नंबर 1. ओके, दिस इज स्टेप नंबर 1. स्टेप नंबर 2 इज डिस्काउंटिंग. Okay, commercial bank say, I as a seller I can get the money. Now see the very very important term dekho aap, that is rediscounting. Children, be very careful. There are 3 steps for the bill. First step is seller is making the bill. Second step is seller is discounting the bill. Third step is commercial bank is rediscounting. Children, please understand, rediscounting cannot be done by seller because seller अपना bill already बैंक के पास दे दिया. Suppose Bank of Baroda में दे दिया. अभी बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा को 90 डेज के पहले पैसा चाहिए. फिर बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा क्या करेगा? आरबीआई के पास ए बिल रीडिस्काउंट करेगा. अभी देखो, अर्लियर इट वाज विद आरबीआई. अभी आरबीआई वो काम ए एजेंसी को दे दिया. कौन सा एजेंसी है चिल्ड्रन? डीएफएचआई. व्हाट इज डीएफएचआई? डिस्काउंट एंड फाइनेंस हाउस ऑफ इंडिया. लिखो उधर नोटबुक में लिख कर रखो, डीएफएचआई, डिस्काउंट एंड फाइनेंस हाउस ऑफ इंडिया में नीचे लिखा है Discount and Finance House of India. Children, be little careful. Dekho, you can see here. So what are the steps, children? First step, who is preparing the bill of discount, the commercial bill? Who is preparing, children? Seller. Barabar. Then when seller is in need of money, he is discounting the bill with whom, children? When the seller is in need of money, 1 minute, somebody is asking when degree college open hoga. I told you, my dear children, most positively after the Diwali vacation. Today college is reopening for junior college. Okay, degree, we do not know what is the reason. Actually, degree children might have got vaccinated, but still they are not opening the degree. Government only know the reason. Okay, children, come to the point. Commercial bill is prepared by seller, signed by the buyer. Agreed. Point number 2, commercial bill में discounting कौन करता है? लिखो उधर chat box में. Somebody has written. Very good. Commercial bank is discounting. You are perfectly right. When seller wants money, bank is discounting. When bank wants money, who is rediscounting? When bank wants money, who is rediscounting? You go there.
RBI.
Very good. Nice. RBI is rediscounting. So I told you in India, RBI has set up an exclusive organization for discounting the bills. It's a very, very important organization that is known as Discounting and Finance House of India. Children, don't get confused. Okay, this is about the commercial bill. I will bring it down. This is something new, children. Here onwards, you have to be very careful. Certificate of deposit. First and foremost, this is different from fixed deposit. God's sake. देखो certificate of deposit, commercial paper, repo, ये सब recently introduced है. So you should be little careful. Don't think that, madam, we know this. You are not, generally you are not aware. Point number 1, certificate of deposit is totally different from fixed deposit. Certificate of deposits वगैरह huge amount के लिए है. It is issued by commercial bank. This is one of the objective. CD is issued by whom? Okay, CD is issued by commercial bank as well as developmental financial institution. ये देखो. Now the question arises, oh, who are this developmental financial institution? I told you IDFC. Okay. Then nowadays even LIC is coming, IDBI. They are all the developmental financial institutions. Another point of देखो, RRBs cannot issue CD. See this word. RRB cannot. You know that regional rural banks, RRB. RRB cannot issue. That's also very clear. They cannot issue. Now, why the commercial banks are issuing CD? देखो, commercial, generally this CD, commercial bank के पास पैसा लेकर कौन जाते हैं? Big companies. आप और मैं नहीं जाएगा. What is the reason? अभी तो ये amount कम कर दिया. Beginning में it was 25 lakhs. अभी तो CD का size is 1 lakh. So now even you and myself can go. Earlier I am talking you, it was done only by the big companies. So children, I will give you one example. Okay, here, suppose that Cadbury India. Okay, children, Cadbury India, which is making the Cadbury chocolate. Cadbury India का saving bank में 50 lakhs rupees पड़ा है. Cadbury India का saving bank में 50 lakh rupees, it is lying there. You know that saving bank is hardly having interest of 2 to 3%. So what does the finance manager of Cadbury India will do? Cadbury India's finance manager is approaching Syndicate Bank. Okay, now you know that Syndicate Bank is known as Canara Bank. So I am using Canara Bank. So Cadbury India manager is approaching Canara Bank. And what the finance manager of Cadbury India will talk? Sir, dekho, we are having 50 lakh rupees. We wanted to put it as CD, okay, in Canara Bank. We want to put CD in the Canara Bank. Commercial certificate of deposit Canara Bank में डालना चाहिए. Then Canara Bank का manager will say that, okay, you sit. We will discuss about it. That is why it is known as win-win situation. Children, what do you mean by win-win situation? It is good for Canara Bank. It is good for Cadbury India Limited. Now you have to tell me how it is beneficial to both. First, I will explain to you. So Cadbury India will say that मैं आपके लिए 50 lakh rupees देगा. Generally देखो, maturity period is less than 7 days, not more than 1 year. Now that means 364 days maximum. So मैं आपको Cadbury India is giving 50 lakhs to Canara Bank. And Cadbury India will say, what is the rate of interest you are giving? So Canara Bank will say that we are giving you, I am telling you an example, 6% rate of interest. ये देखो. Then Cadbury India will say, no, we don't want it for 6%, you give 6.5%. Like that, they will bargain and the rate of interest will be fixed. Let us assume it is 6.5%. Okay. Children, when it is 6.5%, it is a win-win situation for Canara Bank. It is a win-win situation for Cadbury India. Kaisa? Canara Bank को क्या फायदा है, children? 1 year के लिए Canara Bank is getting 50 lakhs. It's a good amount. वो 50 lakh लेकर Canara Bank ट्रेजरी बिल में डिपॉजिट करे, ट्रेजरी बॉन्ड्स लेगा, नहीं तो दूसरा किधर भी इन्वेस्ट करेगा और 10% कमाएगा। देखो आप कैडबरी इंडिया के लिए कैसा बेनिफिट है, वो सेविंग बैंक में पढ़ने पर 3% इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, अभी तो उसको 6.5 मिलता है, डबल है। यू सी दैट। So this is a win-win situation for Canara Bank. This is a win-win situation for Cadbury India. I am repeating point number 1, CD is issued by commercial bank. Please understand. CD is issued by commercial bank. Point number 2, minimum size of CD is now 1 lakh. But you know that for 1 lakh and 2 lakh, bank will not be very much interested. Bank is interested in huge amount. Third, I told you, minimum it can be for 7 days, maximum it can be less than 1 year. You are aware. Now, these are the 2 companies I told you. One side Cadbury India, second side Canara Bank. Cadbury India is giving 50 lakh rupees to Canara Bank. Step number 1. Step number 2, Canara Bank is issuing certificate of deposit to Cadbury India. Step number 3, Canara Bank is offering 6.5% bargaining ke baad to Cadbury India. Step number 4, it is a win-win situation to Canara Bank and Cadbury India. Tell me how it is beneficial to Canara Bank. Children, in case you are not clear, you can ask me to explain again. I don't mind. Canara Bank के लिए कैसा beneficial है children? Canara Bank क्या करेगा वो 50 लाख लेकर? जल्दी बोलो. Canara Bank क्या करेगा 50 लाख लेकर?
इन्वेस्ट करेगा।
वेरी गुड, इन्वेस्ट करेगा, नहीं तो शॉर्ट टर्म लोन देगा, जो कुछ चाहिए वो करेगा। एंड कैनरा बैंक को इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा से 10%। अब देखो 4% का बेनिफिट है। इधर कैडबरी इज वेरी हैप्पी, सेविंग बैंक में होने पर 3% इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, अभी तो 6.5 है। दिस सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ डिपॉजिट, नेक्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट कमर्शियल पेपर। These were all very popular in US. India में 1980s के बाद only this started coming. Now this is picking up, no doubt at all. So certificate of deposit, what all questions can be asked? Certificate of deposit is issued by whom? Point number 1. Maximum life of certificate of deposit is dash. Okay. And certificate of deposit is a win-win situation for dash. Like that questions will be asked. Please remember that. You are aware that 50 questions objective, 1 question will carry 1 mark. That is your paper. Now, next is commercial paper. Be very careful. 1990 only it is introduced, even CD also, that period, 1990. That means, you know, when we had introduced that new economic policy, uske साथ साथ ये सब introduce कर दिया. अभी देखो आप commercial paper. Commercial paper is introduced by RBI in the year 1990. देखो, be very careful. Commercial paper is, it has been introduced with a view to enable high-rated corporate borrowers. देखो, high-rated corporate borrower. Company is borrowing. Remember, CD में company was depositing. अभी company is borrowing to diversify their source of short-term borrowing. Corporate, primary dealers, all India financial institutions can issue CP. Very, very important. Commercial paper कौन issue करता है children? Corporate. Okay, corporate. मैं आपको example नीचे देता है. अभी देखो, एक example दिया है. And this CP is purchased by whom? CP is purchased by another company. ये देखो. So first point you have to remember, CP is a borrowing instrument. CD में आपने पढ़ा कंपनी बैंक को पैसा देता है, सीपी उल्टा है, कंपनी दूसरा कंपनी से पैसा लेता है. They are borrowing. So CP is a borrow. It's an instrument of borrowing. I will give you. There are so many conditions for issuing the CP. ये देखो, कंपनी का नेटवर्थ होना चाहिए 4 crore, क्रिसिल रेटिंग होना चाहिए P2, क्रिसिल का रेटिंग है P+, P++, P+++, जितना प्लस इंक्रीज होता है उतना अच्छा है कंपनी. दैट इज द मीनिंग. एंड यू आर अवेयर क्रिसिल इज ए क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसी. ओके, क्रिसिल इज ए क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसी. सो क्रिसिल इज रेटिंग द कंपनी P2. अभी P+ है, P++ है, P++ है. सो जितना वो प्लस बढ़ता है ना कंपनी उतना सेफ है. अभी आई एम गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल. इधर देखो आप, BPCL के पास, यू नो दैट भारत, यू नो, पेट्रोलियम. Bharat Petroleum, BPCL के पास, not BPCL के पास, GAIL wants 500 crore for expansion. GAIL wants 500 crore for expansion. So GAIL is issuing CP. Children, please understand. If it is not clear, please raise your hands and tell me. First, you know what is GAIL? Gas Authority of India Limited. Okay, GAIL means Gas Authority of India Limited. GAIL wants 500 crore for expansion. Remember, CP will be for huge amount. So GAIL kya karega? GAIL is highly rated company. So there is no issue. GAIL will come with an advertisement in the paper. Generally, Economic Times ka front page corner mein aata hai advertisement. Times of India mein bhi aayega, no issue like that. That is GAIL, the corporation, we are issuing 500 crore CP, commercial paper. Interested parties can approach us. Generally, you know that CP ka life is less than 1 year. These are all short-term instruments. Okay. ये advertisement देकर BPCL is approaching GAIL. देखो, BPCL is approaching GAIL. You know that. So what BPCL will do? Okay, we are interested to purchase your commercial paper. Okay. Then GAIL will say that, okay, all right. So GAIL's ka finance officer or BPCL ka finance officer, they will sit across the table. Now the question arises. BPCL will ask, we are giving you 500 crore. It is not a small amount. How much interest will you pay? GAIL will say that we will pay you 9% interest. BPCL will say, we will not give you the money. We want 10.5% interest. So GAIL again sochega. Finally, sometimes GAIL will say, okay, 10% interest dega. BPCL also think and they will agree. That means BPCL is giving 500 crore to GAIL. Kitna percent interest mein children? 10%. Kitna saal ke liye? 364 days ke liye. It can be for 1 month, it can be for 1 year, less than 1 year. Abhi aap bolo, CP is a very, topmost jackpot instrument. Why CP is very successful? You know what is the reason? I am repeating. Situation is, GAIL wants 500 crore finance. Point number 2, GAIL is issuing commercial paper. Commercial paper issue करने का जो conditions है सब कुछ GAIL is meeting out. Okay, credit rating अच्छा है, उसका turnover सब अच्छा है. Again started. Neha, mute yourself. So GAIL is coming with 500 crore CP. By looking at the advertisement, BPCL is approaching GAIL. Second step. Third step, both the companies sit across the table, decide the rate of interest. Fourth step, GAIL is offering 10% rate of interest to BPCL. BPCL is giving 500 crore to GAIL. Matter ends there. Now you tell me how it is beneficial to GAIL, how it is beneficial to BPCL. GAIL को benefit कैसा होगा? Tell me, children. थर्ड ईयर का एक अभी मिलेगा 1 हफ्ते के अंदर. इट इज गेटिंग रेडी. और चिल्ड्रन, GAIL के लिए कैसा बेनिफिशियल है? बोलो. GAIL के लिए बेनिफिशियल है बिकॉज 500 crore इज नॉट अ स्मॉल अमाउंट. वो भी इतना शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए नो कमर्शियल बैंक विल गिव, बिकॉज सिंगल कमर्शियल बैंक कैन नॉट गिव सच अ ह्यूज अमाउंट. So GAIL is getting huge amount for a short term period at a reasonable rate of interest. 10% is good for GAIL. If GAIL is approaching any other agency, GAIL has to pay 13-14%. So 500 crore mein 3 to 4% difference is a huge amount. So GAIL is a good beneficiary. BPCL is also a beneficiary. What is the reason? I told you BPCL ko a 10% short period mein kaun dega? So BPCL is getting very good amount. 10% return they are getting. Okay, so India main commercial paper became a top hit. Generally all over the world commercial paper is a hit. But I am telling you, India mein everything they will find out some loophole. Some companies were so clever. वो लोगों ने क्या किया आपको मालूम है? Some companies are so clever. They have borrowed money from BPCL. Example, they had borrowed money from BPCL. And वो पैसा stock market में invest कर दिया. I am talking about 1990s. And they doubled the money. They are that way also they are clever. There are some companies who invested money in stock market and they lost the money. बाद में Reserve Bank has come out with an circular that no company should invest commercial paper money in the equity market. Later they had come out with. So put it in the chat box. CD and CP आपको clear हुआ या नहीं? लिखो उधर. जल्दी लिखो. Oh, nice children. I'm very happy. Nice, nice. Okay. किधर भी क्लियर नहीं होने पर दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बोलो. दिस तो इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है, बोलो ही मत. रिपो एंड रिवर्स रिपो. If you are sitting with the book, please take down that. Repo means repurchase option. It is a full form of repo. Repurchase option. First you understand repo, then we will discuss regarding reverse repo. Repo means repurchasing option. So first point of repo is an instrument by which commercial bank is borrowing from Reserve Bank. Repo was introduced in 1992. I told you all these things are quite new. You cannot say this is a very old one. These are very new and these all become hit in Indian market. So repo was introduced in 1992. So repo is an instrument in which commercial bank is borrowing from RBI. How you will ask, madam, ये तो होता ही रहता है. नहीं है, my dear children, ये तो अलग है. इधर कमर्शियल बैंक के पास जो गवर्नमेंट का बॉन्ड है, commercial bank is keeping government bond because you know that commercial bank has to fulfill SLR condition, statutory liquidity ratio. Again आवाज बनाता है, I'm getting irritated. Commercial bank has to follow SLR, statutory liquidity. 1 minute. Russell, commercial bank is holding bonds as a part of SLR. SLR means statutory liquidity ratio. Abhi, suppose that Bank of Baroda is in need of money and repo is maximum for 14 days. 2 week ke liye hai repo. Okay, 2 weeks ke liye hi Reserve Bank is introducing this repo. 1 minute. Why it is the pen is not getting activated? Okay, 14 days. If you write that example now, you will remember it. Suppose that Bank of Baroda want 5 crore. Okay, short period, 14 days is 2 week period है. So Bank of Baroda क्या करेगा? Bank of Baroda will approach. ये लोग है ना, सुधरेगा ही नहीं आप लोग. My link is getting lost. Bank of Baroda is approaching RBI with the bonds. That bond is equivalent to 5 crore. And Bank of Baroda RBI को 5 crore bond RBI के पास देगा. RBI Bank of Baroda को क्या देगा? 5 crore देगा. Okay, but a bond regने का time, देखो, there is a condition. See this, repurchasing. This is a condition. Bank of Baroda RBI को writing में देगा, 14 दिन के अंदर हम ये bond वापस देगा और आपका 5 crore भी वापस देगा. That is repo. Children, repo is an instrument in which commercial bank is borrowing from RBI. Perfect. With a condition. That is the main thing. What is the condition? We will repurchase. A bond हम वापस लेगा. कितना दिन के अंदर? 14 दिन के अंदर. So Reserve Bank is helping the commercial bank. For that, Reserve Bank is charging some rate. That rate is known as repo rate. अब पेपर में देखो बहुत सारा जगह में you can see this repo rate. So suppose somebody is asking you what is repo rate. What answer आप देगा? Repo rate is the rate charged by RBI. Point number 1. Second आप पूछेगा मैडम यहाँ लोग है ना, अभी घर का आवाज कौन इधर? Gupta Rupali, mute yourself. Okay, so we are repeating. Repo has been introduced in 1992. Repo is an instrument by which commercial bank is borrowing from RBI with a condition of repurchase. वो लिखना ही पड़ेगा. Normal borrowing नहीं है. It is an assured repurchase. 14 दिन के अंदर हम बॉन्ड वापस लेगा और आपको पैसा वापस देगा. That is the meaning of repo. Then you will ask, madam, commercial bank क्यों ऐसा करता है? Commercial bank के लिए children many times they are in need of money. They are dealing with crores of rupees. So sometimes a particular week में deposit कम आया होगा. So they want the money. So they will approach Reserve Bank and they will take 5 crore. Within 14 days, they will return that 5 crore and bond commercial bank को वापस आएगा. And repo rate is now it is ranging between 4 to 4.5%. One thing you try to understand, commercial bank will increase the repo rate, commercial bank will decrease the repo rate. Dekho, both, sorry, Reserve Bank. I'm sorry, Reserve Bank will increase the repo rate, Reserve Bank will decrease the repo rate. What is the reason? Because Reserve Bank is having the power to decrease the or increase the repo rate. Okay. Reserve Bank is having the power to increase or decrease the repo rate. Kabhi India mein repo rate is reaching around 8%. So I am asking you, when the repo rate is very high, what does it mean? Did you understand what is repo rate? Yes or no डालो. Reverse repo आज discuss ही नहीं करेगा. Syllabus will be over this week. This week में हो जाएगा. 2-3 topics है. उसके बाद you will get sufficient time to study. The only issue is Deepavali vacation पूरा मजा करने पर you are going to suffer. Please remember that. Because your exam is after the vacation. That is the problem. Ligo. Abhi Rohit is creating noise. One or other person has to Gupta Rubali को मैं अभी निकाला था. आवाज बनाने पर सबको निकालेगा मैं. हाँ बोलो. Repo rate is fixed by whom? Chat में डालो, otherwise बोलो. Whatever you want. Repo rate is fixed by whom? अभी RBI. अभी आवाज नहीं आएगा. Attendance link देता है. Wait करो. Repo rate is fixed by RBI. You are right. Second point is, in repo, who is borrowing from Reserve Bank? लिखो that. In repo, who is borrowing from RBI? देखता है लिखा है या नहीं. Repo में who is borrowing from RBI? Very good. Commercial bank is borrowing from RBI. Agreed. कितने दिन के लिए borrow करता है? देखो उधर. Very good. 14 days. 14 days. And what is the condition? Commercial bank को repo में borrow करने का time there is a condition. Condition means within 14 days हम हमारा bond वापस लेगा और Reserve Bank को पैसा देगा. So repo means repurchase option. God's sake you understand it. It is so important. Repurchase option. And repo के लिए commercial bank is charging some, Reserve Bank is charging some interest. That is known as repo rate. Reverse repo next class में discuss करेगा. And I will share all the YouTube videos. In case somebody has not yet subscribe to my channel. Don't simply watch